Welcome to Cosmetic Surgery Today. If you are considering cosmetic surgery, you should watch this program. You will meet actual cosmetic surgery patients and their cosmetic surgeon, Dr. Robert Patrick Abergel. This program reflects the constantly increasing interest in minimally invasive cosmetic procedures to improve one's appearance. Thank you for joining us this evening. Many of you have questions about cosmetic surgery. Many of us would like to change our look. But how do you do that? What do you look for? Whom do you see? You will hear it all in this program. Tonight you are going to get answers from a cosmetic surgeon with over 20 years experience. Los Angeles, California, the mecca of cosmetic surgery. It takes years of experience and innovation with cosmetic surgery techniques for a specialist to create the natural look cosmetic surgery patients want. That is the kind of doctor you should look for. In the hands of a specialist, cosmetic surgery is an art. Forget about the old-fashioned artificial pulled look. We have with us today a cosmetic surgeon who has given thousands of happy patients the natural, more youthful look people want today. Dr. Abergel is one of the leading authorities on minimally invasive cosmetic procedures. Dr. Abergel was raised in Paris and attended the prestigious University Pierre and Marie Curie. He completed a plastic surgery research fellowship at Harbor UCLA, where he published one of the first medical papers on the use of lasers in cosmetic surgery. He also became chief resident in dermatology at Harbor UCLA. He went on to publish over 100 medical articles, and he has been an invited lecturer in the United States, Canada, Europe, Israel, and Australia. He has received numerous honors, among them the American Academy of Cosmetic Surgery Award for Best Scholarly Article, and the Ken Burdick Memorial Award from the Dermatology Foundation. Dr. Abergel holds several patents for cosmetic surgery procedures. Dr. Abergel is a clinical professor at the Keck School of Medicine of USC. He wrote one of the first chapters on laser eyelid surgery for a medical textbook. He is also in private practice, with offices in Santa Monica, Santa Barbara, and Newport Beach. Dr. Abergel, I know that laser eyelid surgery is among your very favorite procedures. Tell us about laser eyelid rejuvenation.
Thank you, Dan. Eyes are often called the window to the soul. When people look at your eyes, they can tell if you're old, if you're tired, if you're happy. So the eyes say a lot about you. And the main reason why my patients come to ask me about eyelid surgery is often because they're tired of hearing their friends say, "How come you look so tired?" Eye bags can make you look very tired, look older, and also sometimes look upset. They give really the wrong impression. And it's very easy to remove with eyelid surgery. Very often we can, without making a skin incision, go from the inside and remove the little fat pads that are responsible for the bagginess of the eyelids.
And now let's meet Laura. She was concerned by comments about her fatigued look.
Actually, I've probably had the most comments around my eyes and don't have that tired look anymore. And I actually had one person, this is the receptionist at my work, it was classic. She asked me if I'd gotten new eye makeup because my eyes looked so great. I'm not worried about looking tired or looking exhausted. I don't have to worry as much about trying to wear a certain kind of makeup or anything. I just feel that I have more confidence and am just happy to look in the mirror these days. I think I act now about 10 years younger.
Let's meet Sue, another of Dr. Abergel's laser eye surgery success stories.
Dr. Abergel did surgery on my upper and lower eyelids. I had droopy upper lids, and the bottom were very puffy and baggy.
How easy was it for Sue to look so refreshed?
The surgery with Dr. Abergel was easier than I had expected. I wasn't quite sure what it was going to be like, and I found it was really relatively easy, painless. I recovered quickly, was able to go back to work, and friends were surprised at how natural and how quickly things healed. The recovery time was pretty minimal. I went back to work in just a few days, and in a short time it didn't look like I really had anything done at all. People just noticed a natural, more refreshed me. So I looked better, like I'd been on vacation, and I felt like I looked refreshed and who I really am. I felt like it was the real me. I felt like I just looked great fast. I would do it again.
Dr. Abergel is an expert in bringing a youthful enhancement to Asian eyes. He utilizes a specific technique together with the art of cosmetic surgery to restore the years. Many patients fly all the way from Asia for Dr. Abergel's laser eyelid and laser eye bag procedures. The delicacy of Dr. Abergel's laser eyelid technique means there is no scarring after rejuvenation of the lower eyelid and/or removal of the fat deposits responsible for eye bags. Laser resurfacing is really helpful to rejuvenate the skin of the eyelids. It can also be used for the rest of the face.